विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम, समर्थहं सशस्त्रहं स्वच्छ भारतम, विकसित भारतम, विकसित भारतम।
I am really grateful for on behalf of the Republic of India for your gracious presence to mark this event, Viksit Bharat Run. So this is an event where we are targeting to mobilize every stakeholder, including the Indian nationals who are serving abroad and the friends of India. The purpose of this mobilization is to use everyone's capability to make sure that by 2047 India becomes a developed nation. What do you mean by developed nation? It does not mean mere the physical and monetary prosperity, but it also means that we should create a civilization which is healthy, with right spirits, and works with the principles of camaraderie across the world. It is the concept which closely resembles with the concept given by His Excellency the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, the Medamer state, where we see the state as the whole civilization. We see that everyone should be in harmony and in perfect sync with the others so that we can put our efforts in the right direction to achieve a prosperous and sustainable future for all of us. With this, I also like to invite everyone who have come here to participate in this event and carry forward the message. Here the Viksit Bharat does not mean only prosperity and peace for India, but for whole of the world, in particularly the countries like Ethiopia, which are brotherly, sisterly, civilizational, and very closely linked to India. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency Ambassador Anil Kumar, Ambassador of India to Ethiopia, all Ethiopian and Indian communities were presented here. I'm very much glad to be here today to convey message related to Viksit Bharat Run. And I'm very much excited about the purpose of this run. It says, "Run to serve the nation." It's a big motto. It has a lot of meaning. It's not just a run, but run for purpose. And I'm very much happy to know that India is striving to be a more developed country by 2047. It is with the vision of His Excellency Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And this brings the nation together to work for developed country. And it's all about serving the nation. So while you are serving the nation, it is automatically known that you are working for the development of your country. I'm happy that Ethiopians and Indians today are here together to to serve their nation. So we wish all the best for Indian fellows and for Indian community. That you achieve what has been already visioned by a visionary leader, the Prime Minister, to be a more developed country by 2047. And we Ethiopians also have a vision to be a beacon of prosperity in Africa and to be also part of the developed country by 2050. So this is also a vision of our Prime Minister, Dr. Abiy Ahmed. So we do have the same kind of vision. We are happy that we are running today, except me, together to serve our nation. I hope through our ministry we are going to have also the same kind of run in the future. Thank you so much, Your Excellency Ambassador, to give us this idea. And I wish you to have a successful deliberations today. And I hope Ethiopians will stood first in this run. Because we are known for run. And I'm happy to be here. As I have said, it's not just to run, but having the mission and vision in mind, we run together. Thank you so much.
Please give a line. How many kilometers? How many rounds? Yeah, 5, 6 maybe. Make the lines, please.
विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम समर्थहं सशस्त्रहं स्वच्छ भारतम विकसित भारतम विकसित भारतम प्राचीनहम् आधुनिक प्रगल्भहम् योगसोऽहं विज्ञानभिहं रामायण रामायण महाभारतं मेकिन् भारतं डिजिटल भारतं विकसित भारतं विकसित भारतं 140 कोटि हम समृद्धि की चोटी हम आईटी में भी माइटी हम आसमां को छूता निफ्टी हम हर गरीब की रोटी हम बेटा समान बेटी हम किसान शक्ति हम देशभक्ति हम राम हम रहीम हम सबका साथ भारतम यंगेस्ट नेशन भारतम स्टार्टअप भारतम विकसित भारतम हो